Miss Ivory. This is not a new skill for you. However, we are going to be comparing and ordering bigger numbers up to the 1 billionth place. And here we have a list of 5 numbers that we're going to order. First of all, of course, you would have to read your question and figure out, are we doing least to greatest or greatest to the least? In this case, we are going to do greatest to the least. I always like to use a big G and a little L so I know what order I'm going. I have 5 numbers that I need to list. So I'm going to come over here and make a little list of 5 numbers, and I'm going to label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that the greatest number needs to be labeled number 1, and the least number I need to label number 4, and then these will be in between in order. So we're going to start at the greatest place value position, and here we have the 10 millions. We have 7 10 millions, 6 10 millions, 7 10 millions, 6 10 millions, 7 10 millions. So we have some different digits. So we know that 6 10 millions is less than 7 10 millions. So we already know that we don't need to check these 2 yet. We're going to leave these alone and compare these 3 numbers. Let's look to the next place value position since these are all equal. And we have 1 million, 1 million, and 1 million. So we're going to have to shift to the next place value position, which is the 100,000th place. We have 200,000, 500,000, and 0,000. Boom, different digits. So now I can pick out which one's greater, 200,000, 500,000, or 0. Hopefully you said this one. So we are going to list this and label it number 1 because it goes right here. It is our greatest. I'm done with this number. I'm going to cross it out and go back to these 2. Now, which one is greater, 200,000s or 0,000s? And hopefully you said this number here, it's going to be second. And so we can say bye, bye, bye. And guess what we can label this one now? We know it goes third in our list. And I always like to say bye, bye, bye. We're done with these 3. So let's go back to these 2 here and find out which one is the least and which one will be position number 4. So we're going to compare these 2 digits. They're the same. Go to the next place value position. The same. Go to the next place value position. They're the same. Next place value position. They're the same. Woo! Finally, the thousands place. We have 5,000 and 9,000. So which one's the greater? I hope you said 9,000. So we're going to list this as number 4. And what's our least? Well, we can tell this one bye, bye, bye. And this one's last. So it is our least number. So we just labeled and listed our populations of the United States from greatest to the least using a list. Hope you enjoyed it.